Hello Creative Crafty Lovely and welcome to my channel. I am so happy that you decided to stop by. If you're a new subscriber or returning subscriber, your time here is always appreciated. I am once again participating in the open collaboration Embellish With Us Wednesdays. This week I made some little straw banners and these came out really cute, and I actually used some stickers from the Silhouette store and I turned them into ephemera. So here is the first one. Here is the second one, and I really enjoyed the way these turned out. Here is the third one, and these are actually going to be going out for a swap over on a Facebook group that I participated in. And then with the leftover little pieces, I went ahead and I just clustered this up, and it says a crafter's work is never done. And right here, there's a little eraser and a pencil and an ink and some yarn that were left over. And so that is going to be going out to my swap partner. I do want to mention that I did follow a tutorial by Valerie Oliver, and I will list it down in the description. That way, if you're interested in making these in the same measurements, you can go ahead and follow that tutorial. If you would like to see all of the other participants that have participated in this open collaboration, just follow the hashtag Embellish With Us Wednesdays. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you find happy little moments throughout your day. Bye!